If you own any crypto, or if you've been thinking about buying any crypto, then this is an important video for you. As you may or may not know, the markets have taken a tumble over the last couple of days, and this has especially affected the crypto markets. This is mostly down to the US placing sanctions on foreign imports and the fears in the markets of there being a foreign trade war. Now, there's a lot of fear in the market at the moment, but what I'd like to go through in this video is to show you it might not be as bad as it seems. Having had several years of experience in the crypto markets myself, I can tell you that these market dumps do happen, and it's something that you should expect if you're investing in crypto. The main thing right now is not to panic. Don't panic sell. This is not financial advice, but just my opinion. And we'll go through the charts now, and I'll show you why I don't think this is as bad as many people believe. First of all, Bitcoin, as you can see in this chart, is in what's called a bull flag pattern, which is very bullish. As you can see, with the line going up, that's the flagpole, and then at the top, it's basically consolidating into the shape of a flag. Now, at the moment, it's holding up quite well, considering the fear in the market. If we continue at this level and the price doesn't dip any further, then this could be quite bullish. And the reason it's so bullish is we've basically had a major capitulation event. So lots of leverage in the market's being flushed out. Weak hands, people who panic sold. Now it's more long-term holders. Now the price could still dip down a little bit from here, but that major initial market reaction has already taken place. So if you've not sold already, then now may not be the best time to sell. If your positions are in the red, then as long as you are in quality altcoins, I mean altcoins that could be around for the next few years and not likely to go to zero at the end of the bull market, then I don't think you've got too much to worry about. Now, if this pattern plays out for Bitcoin, then the price target from this alone would be around the $200,000 mark. Now, of course, when Bitcoin goes down in price, the altcoins go down even further. There's two charts that are important to look at, which we'll look at them on the weekly time frame, because the best thing to do is to sort of zoom out and not look at the day-to-day price movement. Now, this is the BTC dominance chart. Now, this measures the market cap of Bitcoin against altcoins. As you can see, the dominance has risen simply because altcoins have gone down further than Bitcoin. Now, from the looks of this candle, this looks to be a shooting star candle if we close the same where we are now on the weekly time frame. Now, a shooting star candle is when the price rises in that time frame and then drops to round about where it started. In regards to the BTC dominance chart, this is very good for altcoins. What it means from here is dominance is likely to go down. Now, nothing is for certain, but this is just a probability. Now, if this bull flag on the Bitcoin chart does go up in price, which it's normally more likely to do, not 100%, but that's what normally happens, then you can expect Bitcoin to rise in price. If also the Bitcoin dominance chart does come down again, as expected from the dominance chart, then it would mean that the altcoins would rally harder as well. We can also take a look at the Total 3 chart, which measures the market cap of all altcoins apart from Ethereum, and you can see this as well does look quite bullish. Now again, if we look at the weekly chart, then the price has come crashing down, but then it's also rebounded within the same week as well. Now this doesn't mean, and for all of these charts, this doesn't mean that they're actually going to close as they are now. But if they do close as they are now, then this is very bullish, not only for Bitcoin, but for altcoins and the crypto market in general. What I expect to happen is a lot of fear in the market may just be an overreaction, and we're more likely to get a rebound. This might happen this week. We might just have some of the news turn around, and it could just be an overreaction in the markets. Markets in general do tend to overreact to any bad news. Now I will give market updates as the week goes along, but just know this is probably not the best time to sell. I'm expecting 2025 to be very good for the crypto markets. This correction as it stands has not changed my opinion on what's going to happen in 2025. So the best thing for you to do, in my opinion, and not financial advice, is to, first of all, make sure that you've got quality altcoins. You want to have a good balanced portfolio in crypto coins which you think would survive a bear market. I'm not saying we are going to go in a bear market, and I actually don't think we are going into one yet, but you want to make sure if you do get caught out, then these coins will survive where others will fail. This is good advice in general. A lot of people do invest money in meme coins where they can go up quite high in price quickly, but they can also drop quickly as well. And I'm not too sure many of these would survive a bear market. Don't forget to give me a follow and like this video if this has been useful to you. I'll be posting these charts on my X account, which again is BTC Barista. And just a final reminder, don't let the markets shake you out. I'm expecting big things from the crypto market in 2025.